If your Windows 11 PC keeps showing a blue screen, gets stuck on a black screen, or crashing during startup, then don't worry. In this video, I am going to show you a new solution specifically designed for the latest Windows 11. These methods can fix almost any type of blue screen or black screen issue. These methods are simple, don't require advanced technical knowledge, and in many cases can get your PC working again without reinstalling Windows. So watch this video until the end and follow each step carefully. Even if one method doesn't work, the next one might be the fix your PC needs. So let's get started. Before we begin, there's one important thing I want you to know. You don't need to run any critical or risky commands during this tutorial. Everything I will show you is safe and focused on troubleshooting Windows 11 using built-in recovery options. Just follow each step exactly as demonstrated. Now let's see how to fix this problem. If your Windows 11 computer is experiencing a blue screen of death or keeps crashing during startup, Windows will usually try to repair itself automatically. After 3 consecutive failed startup attempts, it should restart and take you to the Windows recovery environment, also known as WinRE, just like the screen you are seeing here. So if your PC is already showing the recovery environment screen, that's perfect. You can simply follow along with the rest of this tutorial. However, if your computer doesn't automatically enter the recovery environment, don't worry. You can force it to do so manually using the power button. Press the power button to turn on your computer. As soon as you see the Windows logo or your computer manufacturer's logo, press and hold the power button until the PC shuts down completely. Repeat this process 3 times in a row. On the 4th startup, Windows should recognize that the previous boot attempts failed and automatically load the recovery environment. Once you are in the recovery environment, you will see a screen with the several troubleshooting options. Now click on Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options. Here, you will find several recovery tools provided by Windows. The first method we are going to try is Startup Repair, which in the latest Windows 11 update is also known as Quick Machine Recovery. Depending on your Windows version, you may see it labeled as Startup Repair or Quick Machine Recovery. Both refer to Microsoft Automatic Recovery tool that attempts to repair startup related issues. Now click on Startup Repair or Quick Machine Recovery to continue. Before you proceed, make sure your computer is connected to the internet. If you are using a laptop, connect it to a Wi-Fi network. If you are using a desktop computer, it's recommended to use a Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. An internet connection is important because Quick Machine Recovery may need to download the latest recovery files and repair components from Microsoft. Without an internet connection, this feature may not work correctly or may not be able to fix startup issues caused by the latest Windows update. Once you are connected, Windows will begin scanning your system for startup problems and automatically apply any available repairs. The repair process may take several minutes, and your computer might restart more than once. This is completely normal. During this time, avoid turning off your computer or interrupting the repair process. If the repair is successful, Windows should boot normally. If you are still seeing a blue screen or black screen, don't worry. Simply return to the advanced options screen. As you can see, the repair was not successful. Your device ran into a problem and could not be repaired. This means that startup repair or quick machine recovery was unable to automatically fix the issue that's preventing Windows 11 from starting correctly. This can happen if the problem is caused by corrupted system files, a faulty Windows update, damaged boot configuration, or another issue that requires additional troubleshooting. Don't worry, this doesn't mean your computer can't be repaired. It simply means that this automatic repair method was not enough to resolve the problem. At the screen, you will see the option to press enter. Pressing enter will take you back to the Windows recovery environment. Now go back to the previous screen and click on Troubleshoot. Once again, click on Troubleshoot options. This time, click on Point in Time Restore. Point in time restore is a recovery feature that lets you restore your Windows installation to an earlier point in time before the problem started. If the blue screen or black screen issue appeared after installing a recent Windows update, driver or system change, this feature can roll your system back to a previous state where everything was working normally. The best part is that point in time restore doesn't delete your personal files such as documents, photos, videos or other personal data. However, it may recover recently installed Windows update, drivers, applications, or system changes that were made after the selected restore point was created. To begin, click on Point in Time Restore. Next, you will see a list of available restore points. Select a restore point that was created before you started experiencing the blue screen or black screen issue. If there are multiple restore points, choose the most recent one that was created before the problem began. After selecting the restore point, click Next. Review the information carefully and then click Continue. Now read the warning message carefully and to start the recovery process, click Restore. Your computer will restart and Windows will restore your system to the selected point in time. This process may take several minutes and your PC may restart more than once. During this time, do not turn off your computer or interrupt the process. Once the restoration is complete, Windows should boot normally if the issue was caused by a recent update, driver or system configuration change. If point in time restore doesn't resolve the problem or if no restore points are available on your computer, don't worry. I have several detailed Windows 11 recovery tutorials on my channel covering advanced startup repair, boot repair, update rollback, blue screen fixes and black screen troubleshooting. You can follow those guides step by step and hopefully one of them will resolve your issue completely. As you can see, our computer has now booted up successfully and Windows 11 is loading normally without showing the blue screen or black screen error. This confirms that the point in time restore successfully resolved the system changes that were causing the startup problem. Since your PC is now working properly again, there's no need to perform any additional troubleshooting steps for this method. If you are still experiencing blue screen or black screen after trying this method, don't worry. Please check out our channel. There's available several detailed advanced Windows 11 recovery tutorials. So I hope the video was useful. If you have any questions or any advanced guide, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.